In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks Online account. To get started, first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. You'll be greeted by the home page where you're going to want to click on the Sign In option. Now, since you haven't created an account yet, your next step will be to click on Create an Account. This might seem straightforward, but it's an important step as it takes you directly to the setup process. Now the next screen will show you different plans available. QuickBooks offers a variety of options to suit different business needs, so take a moment here to decide which plan best meets your requirements. Once you've made your decision, simply click on the plan you prefer. This will guide you to the next part of the process where you'll enter some personal information. Here, you'll need to provide your email address, set a secure password, and enter your phone number. Be sure to use a strong password that combines uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you've inputted this information, click on Create Account. This action will officially set up your QuickBooks Online account, but there are still a few more steps to go before you're ready to use it fully. With your account created, QuickBooks will guide you through a series of prompts to help personalize your experience. One of the most crucial parts here is connecting your account to your bank or PayPal. This is an essential step, as it will allow QuickBooks to automatically import your financial transactions, saving you a lot of time and ensuring accuracy in your record keeping. So follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank account or PayPal. If you're linking a bank account, make sure you have your banking credentials on hand. Similarly, for PayPal, your PayPal login information will be required. These connections are secured using industry-standard encryption, so you can be confident that your financial data is safe. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created your QuickBooks Online account and started on the path to more efficient financial management. It's always a good idea to explore the platform further to familiarize yourself with the tools and features available. QuickBooks offers tutorials and resources that can help you get the most out of your new account. So take the time to explore what's available and see how QuickBooks Online can best serve your business needs. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and happy bookkeeping.